I'm Putri Kamsina from TNULP Industri. I will describe about tourism in Batam. Angku Putri Square is one of them. Angku Putri Square is a public space that is built around the government and economic area in Batam. This square is known as Angku Putri because it has a unique style in its building structure. There is an image like a star in the middle of the background of the square. Also has a variety of beautiful colors to look at. If you look at the conditions around the square, the style of the building creates express. You won't imagine a stiff and old-fashioned impression when you're inside. That's why this area is popular with various groups, especially young people. And also in this area, you can see a unique panorama and the beauty of the sky at dusk, which makes the eyes fresh when you see it. Dataran Angku Putri Batam is located 11 kilometers from Hang Nadem Airport Batam and can be reached by driving via Hang Tuah Street and Raja Isa Street for 20 minutes, depending on road conditions. In this park, you will find a variety of facilities ranging from just hanging out with one particular community, chatting, enjoying typical Riau snacks, or even doing light exercise. And in this park, you will find places especially for young people, such as basketball arenas, soccer fields, skate and rock climbing parks, and special playground for children. Almost all the activities of the citizens of the city are carried out in this place, such as official activities from the government or certain institutions, such as ceremonies, holding events, Muslim holiday prayers, and other official events that are carried out in this place. Have to ask permission first because there are many other users here. There are parties who are given the authority to administer permits. After the permit is issued, then the event can be held. A place like this is very helpful in any activity. Especially if you are part of a community, then you need a large enough space to carry events related to that community. This square is not a direct tourist attraction, so there are no rules regarding opening hours or entrance ticket prices to be able to carry out activities in that place. This square is free and open to all people from all walks of life. This park can be used freely for 24 hours without limits because this place functions as a place for various activities carried out by city residents. Around the square, there are various buildings to support the activities and growth of the city of Batam. The building is shopping facility called the Mega Mall Batam Center. Then there is a port called the Batam Center Ferry Terminal. Then there is a government building and there is a place of worship in the form of a complete Raya Mosque Batam with the Hajj dormitory. If you want to enjoy the city center directly, there is the Haris Hotel which stands majestically and is clearly visible from within the square area. You can stay and spend the night here. The distance is also not far and can be accessed only by foot. You can book a room anytime here. Other hotels can also be found around this area, of course according to needs.